Insert a formatted memory card into the dash camera. Turn off your vehicle's engine. Find a suitable location on the front windshield. Take out the cleaning cloth to clean the selected location. Affix a larger static sticker on it. Peel off the adhesive pad on the base, then stick the base onto the static sticker to fix the camera. When mounting the camera, please ensure that the lens is positioned outside the area covered by the static sticker, to maintain a clear view. Tilt the base for angle adjustment, and easily remove the dash camera without removing the entire setup. Take out the car charger. Connect the Type-C connector of the car charger to the Type-C port on the camera. Loosen the cable. Neaten the cable, and utilize the adhesive cable clips to secure it in place. This connector is for the rear camera. We'll route the cable for the car charger. Plug the other end of the car charger into the cigarette lighter receptacle in your vehicle. Peel off the protective film on the LCD display and front camera lens. After installation, please wipe the outer front windshield. Start the engine to check if the dash camera turns on and records automatically. Loosen the cable of the rear camera. Connect the 4-pin male connector of the rear camera to the 4-pin female connector of the car charger cable. Begin routing the cable of the rear camera. Option 1, along the higher part. Option 2, along the lower part. Almost finish routing. Choose a suitable spot on the upper section of the rear windshield and clean it with a cleaning cloth. Affix a smaller static sticker onto the selected spot. Follow the yellow arrow for the correct orientation. Remove the protective film on the lens. Remove the adhesive pad from the rear camera, firmly attach it to the static sticker. When fixing the rear camera, position the lens outside the static sticker's area for clarity. After installation, clean the outer rear windshield. Rotate the camera for your best view. Tidy up the surplus rear camera cable in a way that doesn't interfere with the opening and closing of your trunk. Start the engine again to check both cameras. The camera is recording by default. This view is from the front camera. Press the power button once to check the rear view. Press the power button the second time to check the date and time. Press the power button the third time to check the Wi-Fi name and password of the camera. Stay on this page and begin connecting the camera with the Pelsee Cam app. Search for Pelsee Cam on Google Play or the App Store, then download and install it on your phone. Launch the Pelsee Cam app and tap on Add Camera. Tap Next. Tap Connect Wi-Fi. Select the dash camera's Wi-Fi. Input your password, 12345678. Connected. Get back to the Pelsee Cam app. Connected successfully. Stay connected to the camera's Wi-Fi. Tap on Into Camera to check the live preview, camera files, change the camera settings and so on. Another added benefit, the car charger can also provide power for your phone. If you need any assistance, please contact us at support@pelsee.com.